searching for you, Mr. Ward. You are the seventh son of the seventh son. Master Gregory is the last of a long line of Falcon Knights who remove evil from the world. With the blood moon's rise, the creatures of the dark will be more powerful. And he finds himself in need of an apprentice. Through the night. I don't think he's too pleased with Tom at the beginning. You know, he needs a lot of work. Your consistency is admirable, Mr. Ward.
Tom doesn't quite know how to approach this new life of being an apprentice to this grumpy, bad-tempered fuddy-duddy.
I paid good money for you. Are you not the seventh son of a seventh son? Show me what you are!
It usually takes 10 years to train an apprentice. Master Gregory has a couple of days to not only train this apprentice, Tom, but to fight the biggest threat the world has ever seen.
There's not enough time. You'll be dead in a week.
Teach me. Tom becomes much more comfortable with who he is, and he's realized his destiny is to help Gregory fight the dark and overcome evil. What the hell is that?
A bogart!
Well, how do you fight a bug?
You don't! You run!
This film is very much about Tom and Master Gregory and their relationship. The journey that they go on just happens to be set in the most wonderful, treacherous world of monsters and dragons and warlocks and witches.
The world of man shall fall.
It was just exciting to make a big movie that deals with mythology and fantasy. It's pretty cool.